Today we will start doing exercise 2B. Fill in the blanks, the first question. So if you don't have your notebook with you, do the work on your rough notebook. You will copy down this work on your neat notebook. All the notebooks are there in Saul's office. May I start with the exercise 2B?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fill in the blanks. First question. All the properties of addition are there. 512 plus 205. The first blank. Question number 1. 512 plus 205 equals dash plus 512. So you will fill the blank. Which property is this? Commutative property of addition. So interchange, when the number interchange their places, there is no change in the answer in addition. So 205 is missing. You will write down 205 to the right hand side in the blank for the first blank. Second blank, 1,400.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am. What you are doing? Can you explain?
Adia,
Yes, ma'am.
Bache, I have explained all the properties yesterday. Now we are
Yes,
going to do the exercise 2B. 512 plus 205 equals dash plus 512 commutative property. 512 plus 205 hai. So towards the right side, you will write down the missing number. So which is missing? 205 is missing. Write it down in the blank.
Okay, ma'am.
Second blank is 5,400. Just listen, girls.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Hadia.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Your voice is not clear.
Ma'am, I want to ask that. Can you explain to me first part again? Ma'am, ये जो
First-
multiple. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you explain the first blank again? Ma'am, have you taken
500.
the attendance?
I will. So the first blank is 512 plus 205. This is the commutative property. By interchanging the places of numbers to the left and right hand side, there will be no change in the answer. So you will write down the missing number in the blank, in the first blank. To the left, you have got two numbers which are adding together, 512 plus 205. And to the right, you will write down 205, which is missing in the blank, plus 512. Done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Second blank is 5,430 plus 0 equals 5,430. Fill up the blank with 5,430 because
Ma'am, I can't hear you. Yes, ma'am, we can't hear you. Ma'am?
second blank 5,430 plus 0. Do you hear me?
Yes. No, it's
equals
Yes, ma'am.
that. So fill the blank with 5,430. Because you are adding 0 to the number, additive identity, so the number will be same. Third blank is 54 plus 36 plus 40 in the bracket equals 54. Associative property is there. 54 plus 36 in the bracket plus 40 is out of bracket to the right hand side. So the blank like I am doing in the notebook. 54 plus in the bracket 36 plus 40 equals 54 plus dash in the bracket plus 40. So fill this blank with 36, number 36, which is
Okay,
missing.
ma'am.
So the grouping
Ma'am,
of the
how-
number is altered.
Anything?
The grouping of the number is altered. 54 plus 36 plus 40. 36 plus 40 in the group towards the left
No.
side, and then 54 plus 36 in the bracket to the right side.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, question number 2, state whether the following are true or false. The sum of two even whole numbers is even.
True.
True. Question number 2, first
Ma'am, what
blank
is
is
it?
true.
Ma'am, what's the first one? True, false.
True.
True. And the sum of two even numbers.
Like 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 is an even number.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
sum of even whole numbers is even. True. The sum of two odd whole numbers is odd.
False.
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 Yes. 3 plus 3 gives you 6. 6 is not an odd number, even number. So false. The sum of one even and one odd whole number is even.
False. False.
Add up one even and one odd number.
What, ma'am?
What you get from an even and odd addition of even and odd number? Do it in the rough.
Odd
2 plus 3 gives you
Odd number.
Odd number.
odd number.
Odd number.
So,
Odd
Ma'am,
number.
it is
false. Ma'am, false
yes,
है
it
ये.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम मैम मेरी
Yes.
अटेंडेंस लगा
False.
दें मैंने अभी ज्वाइन किया
Ma'am, the
Page number 29.
excuse me, ma'am, आप
Okay.
इनको नाश्ता बोलेंगे मुझे समझ
Page
नहीं
number 29 है.
मैम आपने अटेंडेंस ले ली है
This is
नहीं ली
my
है।
job. Don't take any tension. Do your work now. Children, listen. Who is this doll face? Write down your original names as written in the register in the school. So don't write down your fake names on your IDs. I'll take your attendance accordingly. Question number 3. Find the difference between the largest odd number of
Ma'am,
3
please.
digits.
Can you wait for two minutes?
Yes.
Ma'am, should
Question
we
number
write
3. Find the difference between the largest odd
899.
number. It is the largest odd number.
899. 899, ma'am.
999. And the smallest even number of 3 digits, which is 100. So we'll do the subtraction. Do you like this?
899.
And you will get 9, 9, and 8. 899 is your answer.
899.
Do the subtraction of 999 minus 100. You will get 899. This is the answer to the third
Okay, ma'am.
question. 4. State whether the following are true or false. Do with a pencil in the book. Write down the answer
Okay,
in the book. 8 minus 4 minus 2 equals 8 minus 4 in the bracket minus 2. This is false.
Ma'am, what is
Ma'am, how, ma'am?
Ma'am, it is true.
It is false.
Ma'am, how?
Ma'am, how it is
Because-
false?
Because the associative property with respect to subtraction does not hold.
Oh,
Answer
yeah.
to the left hand side is not equal to answer to the right hand side.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I did not understand.
आप चैट में जाएं और find out your names. Write down your name in chat and say present.
Okay, ma'am.
In chat, write down your name and present. That you are present in class. Okay, second part. 10 minus 6 minus 4 in the bracket equals 10 minus 6 minus 4. 10 minus 6 in the bracket to the right hand side and 6 minus 4 towards the left hand side. Both the sides are not equal. When you will solve, you will find out that both the sides are not equal. So the statement is false.
False.
Third part. 10 minus 6 minus 4 in the bracket equals 10 minus 6 in the bracket plus 4. So again, you will find out that
Ma'am, it's false.
statement
Ma'am, it's
could
true.
be right. It's true. Because you are
Ma'am, the
adding
second
4 to
one
the
is true.
right hand side. Third part is true. 15 minus 12 equals 12 minus 15. The last part, false.
False, ma'am. False.
Left
Ma'am,
hand
can
side
you
gives
read?
you the answer 3 and right hand side gives you the answer minus 3. So minus 3 is an integer, that's why false. Now fill in the blanks. Question number 5. Do in the book and you will copy down all the work on your notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Blanks.
You do,
Dash
ma'am?
plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 18. What is missing? 18 is missing. Write down 18 in the blank.
18 plus 0.
Excuse me, ma'am.
This is
Excuse me, ma'am.
commutative property.
मैम ये तो ट्रू फॉल्स है 4 और मैम ऊपर 3 है तो मैम इनको हम एक साथ करके लिख दें
No.
माइक म्यूट कर दे।
हमारी नोटिस आपके पास है।
मैम मैम सारों के माइक म्यूट कर दे।
अभी कोई नहीं बोलेगा। Listen. Fill in the blanks. First blank is question number 5. 18 plus 0, 18 in the blank is equal to 0 plus 18. It means this is commutative property. When you interchange the places, the result is same to both the sides, left hand side and right hand side. So 18 is missing, write down 18 in the first blank. 6 into 9 equals 9 into 6.
9,
6.
5 into 7 plus 2 in the bracket third part. 5 into 7 plus 2 in the bracket equals 5 into dash.
not clear. 7 and 5. 5 multiplied by 7
Ma'am?
plus 5 multiplied by 2.
Ma'am,
5 multiplied by 7
Ma'am,
plus
please mute all children's mic.
2.
मैम सबके माइक म्यूट कर दे।
Part 3, question number 5. 5 into 7 plus 2. The distributive property is there. To the right hand side, 5 into 7 plus 5 into 2. To the right side, 7 is missing and 5 is missing. Write down 7 in the first blank and 5 in the second blank. 7 plus 5 into 2. Fourth blank. Dash into 3 plus 4 equals dash into 3.
What you have to write?
Dash into 3 plus 5 into 4. First, keep quiet, children. Listen to me. Otherwise, I'm not going to repeat any blank.
ma'am, 5.
5.
5 into
Ma'am?
3 plus 4. 5 into 3. 5 is missing to both the sides.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am,
6 into dash is equal to 6. 6 multiplied
One.
by
Multiplied by 1 is equal to 6.
5 dash is equal to 5. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5.
Ma'am, can you repeat the
6 plus 2 is equal to 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6.
Ma'am, can you
6
repeat the
multiplied by 1 is equal to 6.
Ma'am, can you repeat the fourth part?
5 into 3 plus 4. 5 into 3 plus 5 into 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. मम्मा मेरी भी कंघी करते हैं.
6 into 1 equals 6. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 12 divided by 1 equals 12.
0 divided by 10 is 0.
0 divided by 10 is equal to 0.
0 divided by 0 equal to 0. 0 divided by 0 is 0.
Okay,
0 divided by 1
divided by 0 is equal to 0.
Children,
divided by 0 by 1 is equal to 0.
children listen.
0 divided by 0 is equal to 0.
Find the value of.
Ma'am,
Divided by
ma'am,
1
चारों को
equal to
mute
3.
कर
Excuse
दे.
me, ma'am. Mute everybody. Ma'am, mute everyone. Ma'am, please mute everyone mics. We cannot hear you properly. Ma'am,
आपकी नहीं आ रही.
Say quiet.
So divided by 1 is equal to 0.
Question number 6. Mute your mics by yourself.
Ma'am, can you mute our mics?
Ishal, mute your mic. Abir Fayal, Hamna Waheed, Homa Waheed, mute your mic. Hurry up, all of you. Mahrouj, Javed, mute your mic. Isha Sayed, mute your mic. Okay. The sixth question is find the value of, and you will give the heading. Find the value using property. Using property. Find the value using property. And the very first question is 542 into 92 plus 8 into 542. Now look at the notebook. This is the first part of question. And the heading is find the value using property. Of ko hatakar using property kar dein. We will do the question according to the distributive property of multiplication over addition. So find the value using property. Now, look, this statement is given and the property is distributive property. Property of multiplication over addition.
Ma'am, your screen is not clear.
Listen to me. And
Yes,
write down the
ma'am, your screen is not.
Ma'am, please repeat. Excuse me, please repeat it again.
I am
Ma'am,
saying that
not
in the
clear.
question number 6, this is question 6.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, please explain it again.
your picture is not clear.
Okay, fine, we'll do it tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children.
मैम आप करके हमारे ग्रुप में भेज दे हमें, हम उधर से कर लेंगे वीडियो बना के.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम आप वीडियो बना के भेज इधर.
मैम आप कल वाला
Class
काम
time.
Ma'am, pic send कर दे.
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
Ma'am, pic
मैम
send
आप
कर
वीडियो
दे.
दिखा के तक आपके
Send कर दे, हम लोग वहाँ से कर लेंगे. मैम सबको म्यूट कर दे.
मैम ये नोटबुक पे कर रहे हैं 1 से लेकर 5 तक जो आपने करवाए हैं.
मैम आप मेरी तरफ कल वाला काम भेज सकती हैं.
Children, I am doing here, and you people must attentively listen each and every word from me. So you, by talking, you cannot do anything. So please,
मैम प्लीज म्यूट एवरीवन.
now the time is over.
Ma'am, can we leave?
Yes, you may leave now.
Ma'am,
How much?
वाला काम दे सकती हैं?
Do all the questions upon your notebook. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.